Time to go feed some pigs before the snow comes. They're super aggravated because we fixed it where they can't get under my house anymore. They've already torn up one air duct. So now they don't have their underhouse heat that they decided to create themselves. I know. Hold on, baby. Hold on. There we go. Let's go do the chicken. You need a cheap, easy way to kind of insulate your coop and maybe some spots that the wind can get in. So old feed bags that you're going to throw away anyways, and a staple gun. And there you go. Some repurposed, cheap, easy layer of protection. It'll help to kind of keep out the wind and chill. And we're forecasted to either get just like super cold, like rain. It might turn to ice or snow. The kids are hoping for snow, but the animals are going to get the shock regardless. I forgot my egg basket, so feed scooper it is.